Alright, here we are. We're in the office and we've got the AeroGarden growing. This is the AeroGarden Elite. It's a 6-pot container and this thing is awesome. There are other videos on the channel that showed this in action in different locations, but decided to bring it up to work. And we're on day 54. And these things have been trimmed probably 3 or 4 times already. And I've got to trim them again today because they're reaching the lights, and the light is at max height. So these are herbs, Italian herbs. The dill did not survive in the back. The mint back there did not grow fully. No sunlight. So basically we've got parsley, the basil, oregano, and up front we had, I think it was cilantro or something like that, that ended up dying off as well. But the die off was mostly because it was not getting any kind of light. As you can see, the poor little seed's still stuck on the leaves. Let's see if I can show you. The seed is right there for the cilantro. So it's taken that long after 54 days to grow because it's just not getting the light penetration. Everything else is just consuming the light. But within 5 days, this thing already had greenery. So if you're interested, check it out. I'll put a link in the description below. Pretty awesome. Time to trim them up.